Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Today we will study 12th chapter Perimeter and Area. Part 5. Now today we will see the formula of area of a right angle triangle. So see what is the formula for finding the area of a right angle triangle. Now the formula is 1 upon 2 multiply product of sides forming the right angle. Now what you have to do is here you have to take the two sides which forms your right angle. Now see in the figure which are the two sides forms your right angle, that is height and base. Height and base is the two sides which forms your right angle. So you have to take the product of height and base. Product means you have to multiply this height and base. Clear? So you have to take the product of that height and base and you have to multiply with 1 upon 2. So you will get your area of a right angle triangle. Clear? Now see the next formula, that is for finding the area of a triangle. Now so for finding the area of a triangle, your formula is 1 upon 2 multiplied by base into height. So this formula you will use for finding the area of a triangle. Now let's see practice set 46. See student, practice set 46, question number 1. Now what is the area of a triangle with base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter? So what we have to find out in this question, students? Here the area of a triangle we have to find out. So how you will going to find out? By using the formula. Clear? So we are having base as well as we are having height. So with the help of this base and height we can find out the area of a triangle. So see how you will going to find out. First of all we will write down what is given in your question. Here your base is given, that is 4.8 centimeter, and height is given, that is 3.6 centimeter. Clear? Now what you will do? You will use your formula, that is area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half will come as it is, 1 upon 2 will come as it is. Your base is 4.8, your height is 3.6. Clear? Now how you will do the calculation? Now you can divide this 4.8 with 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, point, decimal point, then 2 fours are, you will get 8. Clear? So now what you will do? This 2.4 you will multiply with 3.6. Clear? So what you will get over here? You will get the area of a triangle, that is 8.64 square centimeter. Again we are calculating the area. So area we are calculating in square centimeter or meter. Clear everyone? So here we will write down, therefore the area of a triangle is 8.64 square centimeter. Clear? Understood? How you will do this? Student, second question, a page of a calendar is 45 centimeter long and 26 centimeter wide. So what is its area? Now again here we have to find out the area of a page of calendar. Clear? The length and breadth of that page is given. Again, long means what? Long means length and wide means breadth. Clear? So what is the shape of that page of a calendar? Rectangle. Clear? So the length and breadth of that page is given. We have to find out the area. So how you will going to find out? First of all, what we will write down? First of all, whatever is given in your question, that we have to write down, that is length. Length is given 45 centimeter and breadth is given, that is 26 centimeter. Clear everyone? Now how you will going to find out the area of a page of a calendar? With the help of your formula. Clear? Which formula? That is area of a rectangle. So here we will use the formula area of a rectangle, that is length multiply by breadth. So your length is 45 and your breadth is 26. So 45 multiplied by 26, you will get 1170 square centimeter. Clear? So how is the page of a calendar? What is the area of the page of a calendar? So here we will write down area of a page of calendar is 1170 square centimeter. Clear? Student, third question. A rectangular hall is 12 meter long and 6 meter broad. Long means length, broad means breadth. Its flooring is to be made of square tiles of side 30 centimeter. How many tiles will fit in the entire hall? How many would be required if tiles of side 15 centimeter were used? Now students, what we have to do in this question is, here we have to put a tile in a hall. Clear? So the length and breadth of that hall is given. Clear? Now here, if you will take a tile whose side is 30 centimeter, so how many tiles will be required to in that hall? Clear? And if you will take a tile whose side is 15 centimeter, so how many tiles will be required? That we have to find out. Clear everyone? What we have to find out? Here we have to find out the number of tiles required to put in that hall. Clear? Now first of all, here we have to find out the area of a hall. Clear? The total area is not given, only the length and breadth is given. So here we have to find out the total area of a hall, and then we will find out how many tiles will be required. Clear? So see how you will going to find out. But here the unit of tile is given in centimeter and the length and breadth is given in meter. So what you will do is, you will convert this meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? That is 100 centimeter. Clear everyone? So see how you will going to do this. Now first of all, we will write down what is given in the question. Here the length is given. Clear? The length of a hall, that is, length of a hall is 12 meter. So here we will write down 12. So 12 meter we have to convert into centimeter. So 12 into 100, you will get 1200 centimeter. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to write down the breadth. So breadth of the hall is, that is 6 meter. So 6 meter we have to convert it into centimeter. So 6 multiplied by 100, you will get, that is 600 centimeter. Clear? Understood how you will do? Now what we have to do? We have to find out what? We have to find out the area. So area of a hall, that is, what is the formula? Length multiply by breadth. Clear? So your length is 1200, your breadth is 600. So what you will get if you will multiply? You will get 7,20,000 square centimeter. Clear? So area of a hall is 7,20,000 square centimeter. Understood? Now we will find out how many tiles will be required if we will take the tiles whose side is 30 centimeter. So here we will write down, if the side of a tile is 30 centimeter. So how you will going to find out? Yeah, yes, we have to use the formula, that is area of a, now what is the shape of a tile? That is square. So area of a tile is equal to side into side. So 30 into 30, what you will get? You will get 900 square centimeter. Clear everyone? So here now we will find out how many numbers of tiles will be required. So number of tiles required, that is, how you will going to find out? the number of tiles, you have to divide area of a hall with area of a tile. So here we will write down area of a hall divided by area of a tile. Clear? So area of a hall is 7,20,000. Understood? And here the area of a tile is, that is 900. Clear? So how you will going to find out this? So two zeros will get cancelled. Clear? So 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72, 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0. So how many tiles will be required over here? That is, how many tiles will be required? That is 800 tiles. Clear? So 800 tiles is required if you will take a tile whose side is 30 centimeter. Clear? So here we will write down, that is, therefore, if the side of a tile is 30 centimeter, so 800 tiles will be required. Understood? How you will do? Now what we have to find out? Now we have to find out if we will take a tile whose side is 15 centimeters. So how many tiles will be required? So see, here we will find out. So if the side of a tile is 15 centimeter. Clear? So again, the formula, area of a tile, that is side into side, that is 15 into 15. What you will get? 225 square centimeter. Clear? Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the number of tiles. So how you will going to find out the number of tiles required? That is, what you have to do, you have to divide what? The area of a hall with area of a tile. Clear? So here the area of a hall divided by area of a tile. Clear? So area of a hall is, that is 7,20,000, and what is the area of a tile? That is 225. So how you will going to divide it? 7,20,000 divided by 225. You will get 3,200 tiles. Clear, everyone? So here we will write down, that is, therefore, if the side of a tile is 15 centimeter, so 3,200 tiles will be required. Understood, students? How you will do this? Clear? Thank you.